for you, Grandma. A special magnet and picture frame.
Uh-oh.
Sure
I
do
picked
love
that
you,
out.
Grandma, and love to say so, too. Because there's so nice a grandma in the world than you. Thank you. Happy birthday.
I picked that out.
Love the Crenshaws, Doug, Mary Lynn, Carrie, Dietrich, and Jonah.
Corey.
Happy birthday.
Where's the magnet?
It's on the front.
This is the magnet.
You've always been carrying.
Oh, I see it on your front. That's fine. Oh, I got more. For special someone.
Corey, don't fix it.
Now,
All the
Get back
welcome
here.
words
Carrie.
you say and the wonderful gestures you make are reflections of a caring heart. And this is the perfect chance to tell you that you're appreciated more than you could know. Happy Mother's Day. Thanks for all your love and encouragement.
we don't need to talk about this.
It's I know.
Who was that
Are
from?
you sure we
Joe and
want
Ryan.
Are you sure you want me to read this?
Hello, Lucille.
Go ahead. This is
Go ahead. You
I'm
can.
getting teary.
Me too.
We love you so much and hope that you feel all the love and appreciation in this world. You have done so much for me and so proud to be a part. We love you, Granny, Bethany, Dan, and baby. I don't think I can get this through that.
I don't even think I can either.
Me neither. I won't get that. Today,
Sorry, Mom.
there'll be one special moment when you look around you and have in your heart that you matter to your family. I'm looking around. Whether I hope today you have how much you love and appreciate. Happy Mother's Day. Tom and Suzanne.
Oh,
Thank you.
that's mine. You can go back to the other one and read it then. If you... Was that Joe and Robin?
No.
Yes, you said it was. I think this was
Yeah, here. She read it.
She read this part.
Yes, she did. That's all the
What's
love
it
and
say? I don't remember.
Let's start over.
she read it.
That's all.
I wanted to see her cry.
The Cubs are winning, but the Cincinnati Reds are
You've just gone over.
Good, good.
They're only 1 point ahead of us.
Okay.
1 point,
Okay.
okay.
Shh, Corey.
3-2.
Corey,
Now,
the-
blessed sis, Brother Tom and I have been to have kind, gentle, loving wife like you. I love you, Mary Ann.
Oh.
Love
Did Brother Sis and I make it into that cartoon?
you. I think that's everything.
Was I mentioned?
Isn't that everything?
It says Tom.
What an ego we have. What
Good.
the most favored son ego you have. Did I make it? I'm sorry, I should have put it before sis. Oh. And sis. There's a little something. Little something. Not Chantal, Chanel.
Not Chantrice. Not Chantal.
These are.
Chantal gave you that.
Chantal number 5.
Chantal number 5.
Isn't it? That's a lovely green.
I can't wait to wear it.
Get my
Figure it
She's got a closet full.
I think it'll be just perfect.
Okay, Mom.
Okay. One last one.
Well, Susan, what's his name?
Oh,
I'm already in tears.
I know, Suzanne and I have not a problem with those tears. For anybody that doesn't cry or can't cry, Suzanne and I got it all covered.
Commercials.
Even Bud Light commercial. That was kind of sweet.
Let me see about the right one.
Hold on.
It's going on.
Jack.
It's Suzanne's turn.
It says, for being such a great wife and mom, allow me to scatter rose petals at your feet, and don't worry about the mess. I'll clean it up with that 28 horsepower shut back I'm getting you from my
Kind of stole my thunder because I usually give Suzanne a sound system for.
Well, Tom is very typical when he gives gifts. He always gives me what he wants.
None of us know that.
Like a tray, like when he got Granny Jean for her birthday. That tray she's always wanted.
I happen to know she wanted that one.
And then Mom says, now who gave you that tree?
All the better. It was drunk.
All of it. Oh, come on, you do this. She won't read out the sappy stuff.
It's for a wonderful mother. It's wonderful to know that there's always someone who's willing to listen, to offer advice, to give a smile. It's wonderful to have someone who gives so generously, lives so lovely, helps so willingly. It's wonderful having a mother. Or it's wonderful having you for a mother. I guess it's nice to have a mother.
You sure beat nothing.
Well, thank you, Dad.
You gonna read all this?
Yeah, that's what she
You're getting her warmed up.
That's what they'll give me. Come on. You won't read it. You won't read it.
I'll be a puddle.
Oh, okay. Can we read
All my friends, I got them all. It's better than that,
Oh, this is funny.
I guess.
Okay. Let's see.
Who are these people?
Who are these people? Mom, thanks for still claiming us as your own.
Joe picked that.
Oh, Father God.
I want to find that one.
That's good. Thank you.
Is that not you all?
I don't wear glasses. I didn't wear glasses back then.
It looks like those pictures up there.
I thought that's the Crenshaws.
Because we're not as good looking as Joe.
We're still dressed like we're in the 70s.
My clothes are still from the
Don't laugh. I know you make fun of my clothes when I'm not around. All of them. I gave you all those clothes and you did that mock fashion show.
Okay, here's Mary Ann.
That was pretty written back
Emily.
Okay.
Olivia's twice. Jason, where's Lucy's name? Oh, there you are, Lucille. I see ya. We love you so much. The girls wanted the card and had to get it, so fill the basket up with all our love.
It opens into a basket. It opens into a basket.
Oh, open it.
Oh, it opens.
There you go.
Yeah, say
There's one more thing in here.
Candy called Hugs.
Yeah, don't throw away the car.
Don't throw away the bag.
Gift card.
Gift card.
Ooh, nice.
Gift card. Thank you. Pop and I will certainly make good use of this because
Okay.
we've
I
been
want
very
a
tired
gift
lately.
card too.
Oh, you do? Well, guess what?
Don't get that gift card from Aunt Mary Ann, didn't you? From Yaya.
I know what to get her for her birthday.
Your dad was going to go out to dinner tonight, wasn't he? It goes anywhere. Thank you. Thank you. Mother, from Alan and Wally, I opened those up this morning, so my morning started early.
Where do they sell the peanut butter like that?
Everywhere.
That's a good idea. Better than sending it to
Yeah.
All right. Take an ice cream.
And you could shop anywhere in Oxford.
Yeah. That's nice because it goes anywhere.
Yeah, that goes anywhere.
It's warmer.